Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S24 series 2 weeks from now, but most of the features and information of the upcoming phones have leaked already. Their images have also made it to the internet, revealing how they look. A few days ago, the European pricing of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra was leaked. Now, pre-order benefits have been revealed. The phones will be available for pre-order just after the announcement in many important markets. According to a report from South Korea, Samsung will offer double the storage space without any additional charge if you pre-order the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or Galaxy S24 Ultra. For example, if you pay the price of the 256GB version of the Galaxy S24 Plus, you will get the 512GB version of the phone without any extra charge. Similarly, if you pay the price of the 512GB version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can get the 1TB version of the flagship smartphone. This offer is similar to those of Samsung for the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S23. Samsung will reportedly also offer Galaxy Buds FE and the Galaxy Watch at discounted prices when you buy a Galaxy S24 series smartphone. The exact discount or the version of the Galaxy Watch on the offer hasn't been revealed yet. For the past 2 years, Samsung has been offering Galaxy Watch 4 series smartwatches in some regions, and it would be great if the company provided the Galaxy Watch 6 at discounted prices. It has been 6 months since the launch of the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The Galaxy S24 is said to be launched in 128GB and 256GB versions, while the Galaxy S24 Plus will be available in 256GB and 512GB storage variants. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB versions, but the 1TB version will be available exclusively through Samsung's online store. Samsung's online store will also offer exclusive color options for the upcoming phones. With a plethora of leaks and information about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series, it seems like Samsung is once again aiming to entice customers with enticing pre-order benefits. From the doubled storage space to discounted Galaxy Buds FE and Galaxy Watch, it appears they are trying to create a compelling package for potential buyers. Now, considering this trend of leaks and early reveals, how do you think this strategy impacts the excitement and anticipation for new smartphone releases? Is the element of surprise still crucial in the era of information leaks and constant speculation in the tech industry? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.